If you're thinking about doing a vinyl wrap, I would think again, especially when there's a product like this out. I want to show you guys the finished product of this Tesla Model Y 2026 that we've fully completed with colored PPF. It's a little bit different than vinyl wrap, and let me show you exactly what I mean. So this vehicle was originally red. As you can see on the inside of the door jambs, that's the original red Tesla paint color. And now, as you can see, it's black. But this is not vinyl wrap. That's usually what people do when they want to, change the color of their car, especially on newer Teslas like this. But now we've got a newer product called colored paint protection film. This product, it's a lot thicker than vinyl wrap, so it has the same benefits as regular PPF, where even if somebody keys this, it's not going to go through the film because of the thickness of the film that's on there. Secondly, it's going to last a lot longer. Vinyl wraps, they tend to fade in, about 3 to 5 years. They start getting sun damage. When PPF, it'll last you 10 plus years. So you get a lot more longevity out of the film. So this is like 99% completed. We've still got a little bit of touch-ups left to do, but you can still look at the overall vehicle and get a feel for the film. I think this looks a little bit better than vinyl wrap simply because the film has a bit more depth to it. It really just looks a bit more black. With vinyl wraps, they don't have the same kind of smoothness to it. And that's one of the big benefits that we're seeing with satin colored PPF. But with all of these benefits, there are some downsides as well. And the biggest downside is the installation. It's a lot more difficult than doing clear PPF or doing vinyl wrap. You have to be a lot more skilled with the installs. And what I mean by that is because you're covering up a different color. If this was clear film, you could usually end it off right at this edge and you're never gonna really notice it because it's the same color. But since this is going from red to black, inside edges like this, we have to take the film a lot farther. We have to disassemble a bit more because you're gonna notice a bit of red paint if you kind of see it in there. And that makes the installation a lot more difficult. It takes a lot longer. And if you're not precise with the hand cuts, you'll start seeing red and it's not a great look. So for those reasons, the installations are a bit more difficult. That was a quick walk around. This project does need to leave pretty soon, so we don't have too much time with it. So that's the finished product. We've done a lot of Teslas this week. If you're looking to get something similar done to your Tesla, especially in Northern Virginia or the DMV area, feel free to shoot us a message. We'll get it taken care of.